Hi guys, Jeff Higgins here from Higgins Storm Chasing. Just got a little bit of spare time today, so I thought I'd show Queenslanders what's in store for the rest of the week. There's a little bit of cold weather coming and potentially some rain, but there's a bit of uncertainty in that. Okay, so here on Tuesday, we can certainly feel the cooler conditions across parts of the southeast and especially the southern inland, which has reached up as far as about Mount Isa, thanks to the cold front down south yesterday. That image there's from Weather Zone showing the wind streams coming in from the southwest, southern through western districts, and some of the temperatures. Okay, so that's today. This is on windy. You can see the wind streams heading in from the southeast here like that, turning more southerly up through the rest of the state. Conditions will be quite similar tomorrow. The winds do swing around a little bit further to the west across southern districts into the southeast. So it will be continued to be dry and quite cool with southerly winds up through western Queensland, up through central and northern parts of the state. The high pressure system in the Tasman continues to produce some onshore flow up the top here from the northeast. So it's still pretty warm up there and not really feeling it. Now the next cold front for us is due on Thursday. And you can certainly see, given the wind gusts across southern districts here, there's a fresh surge of southerly winds and southwesterly winds coming through, especially across the Darling Downs there, where wind gusts may reach up to about 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, and then they push through to the coast overnight. So the temperatures on Thursday are certainly going to be affected by wind chill factor, as they are also up through the west. Quite a cold day coming up, which I will show you on Thursday. This map's via BSCH, and you can see that the blue or the white and blue area are quite cold conditions, especially when you take up to 8 degrees off these forecasts on Thursday, guys, due to the wind chill factor. So you're looking at, 16 minus 8 degrees there on the southern downs into the granite belt. So, feels like temperatures will be around probably less than 10 degrees there. We will feel it in the southeast. However, on Thursday, most of the cooler temperatures will be across the southern half of the state as that system, that cold front, pushes through. Quite a cold day. Now, on Friday, these winds push further up into Queensland, so they actually reach right up into central districts, in through here. I can show you here, in through central districts, as far as Rockhampton, almost to Mackay, certainly continuing in through southern and southeast districts as well, with the much cooler, dry winds. And you can see that the temperatures are reflecting that as well. So only a top of 21 at Mount Isa, 20 at Longreach. It's getting up around there, Rocky 21, Mackay 21, and down here in the southeast, especially the southern inland, below 18 degrees with some wind chill factor continuing there as well. Here's where things become a little bit tricky. I'll flick over now to the rainfall accumulation across the Queensland state for the next 10 days. You can see that up here, I'll just reposition my map there, so Queensland centre a shot. This is the ECMWF model. It's one of the leading models, and it has significantly backed off its forecast for rain through eastern Queensland over the weekend. It's still maintaining a few possible showers and storms here on Sunday in the southeast, and a few coastal showers from about Mackay north. It disagrees with the GFS model, but the disagreement between the two models is significant for us at this point in time, because as you can see there, that the GFS model is painting good rainfall anywhere through the eastern half, even extending in there to the central west, and southwest districts, all across through southern inland, southeast, and especially from Townsville to Rockhampton. The difference between the two models is pretty remarkable, considering that they're quite close. So forecasts remain very uncertain. Of course, this would be a fantastic scenario, the GFS scenario. And it's a 50-50, guys, to whether that eventuates. Over here on the OCF ensemble, you can see that on Friday, these are the percentage areas of rainfall across many models. So what we look at is we want at least 50% of models, or the dark orange shaded areas, to produce, to be indicating some rainfall. So there is a chance there on Friday through from about Cairns, Townsville down to Mackay for some lighter falls extending into Charters Towers. As you move through onto Saturday, you can see that the models become very, very divided through the eastern half of the state. The orange shaded areas are mainly up to 50% of models. So again, split 50-50. There is a few higher areas in it, but if you look at the general rainfall totals, even they are undecided, showing basically falls of less than 5 millimetres across the eastern half of the state on Saturday. And that is due to the two different splits between the leading models and other models as well. If we head over here onto Sunday and have a look at what's going on with their arguments, you can see that it's still very divided through eastern Queensland with models forecasting rain, the amount of models, okay? So less than 30% through central inland, southern, and then about probably 30 to 60% through areas to the east. So unfortunately, guys, there's no real answer to this system coming up, which way it's going to go, especially when you have such big model spread like that. I can show you a few reasons why. Now, on Saturday and Sunday, this is just the general daily or hourly rainfall. The ECMWF model brings up a cold pool of air across southern Queensland, but it only interacts very, very softly through southeast parts of the state to produce some showers and maybe the odd storm. With the upper system and the surface system being too weak and too far south. Now GFS, on the other hand, brings in an upper trough system and even a low over southwest Queensland into Friday. It starts to interact with moisture through central and northeast parts of the state on Friday, and then into Saturday. I'll scroll through. You can see that it really starts to develop more activity through central, while spreading into the central west and southwest parts of the state. This is because GFS is positioning a low over here in southwest parts of the state, which allows to mix in with all this moisture coming in from the northeast and southeast. The two models just simply disagree with each other at this point in time. And what we look at before making any real significant calls or forecasts for certainty, we at least want a majority of the models to agree with scenarios. So here again on Sunday, you can see that it spreads, the GFS spreads it down into southern inland eastern districts on Sunday and then clears it out on Monday. However, we still don't know yet. Hopefully by tomorrow, they start to agree more, because I'm at my limits with 3-day forecasts on our website. I have gone out to the end of Thursday and Friday, with Friday, especially Saturday, Sunday, remaining very uncertain. So if you'd like, guys, you can head over here and sign up to our premium membership on our website, and that's where we do all of our daily forecasting, weekly, 3-monthly forecasts for Queensland and South East Queensland. And we have some pretty good reviews over there from our members already, guys, for $38 a year. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll continue to monitor this system as it potentially develops. If not, it'll be good or it'll be bad. It'll be the rain eventuates, or it doesn't really eventuate. So hopefully the GFS is right on this one, even if it's half right. Any rain at this time of year is very welcome. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.